Hello and welcome to Patrick's Model and Transport. Here's a little update on two of the projects. So this is the base of the signal box that you've seen in the video. I've actually just published right now. This is Sunday, actually no, Monday, but it's 20 to 1 on Monday the 17th of February. Okay, and I'm going to my bed now. I'm pretty tired. Anyway, I've given a coat of surface primer to the base of the signal box base, which is made in balsa wood. You'll see it on the video I've just published. And I've also given a coat of primer to the Coopercraft Bedford ML lorry, because I had tried painting it with some red. I was doing something else with red some time ago, and this really needs undercoat. So I've given it a coat of undercoat surface primer. Here it is, Vallejo. This can be either applied by spray or with a brush. Just as it is. It's pretty liquid. Then I did another thing. You can see the cab of the Bedford ML. I've not painted that, but there was a little where I had to cut the bonnet back a bit, and there was still a little gap there. So there's a wee gap. You can see that I've fitted a little bit of styrene in there, 0.30mm styrene clipping, and then I'd melted everything down using Tamiya cement. But there were still a couple of gaps, and I've filled that in using glue and glaze. So we'll let this set, and the glue and glaze, of course, the wet part will evaporate, but we'll see how this looks like tomorrow morning. Okay, I'm off to my bed. Good night, and see you next time.